I'm going to take all the bags and I'm going to hang them over here for now, and then I'm going to organize this and you can watch me do this. Let's get started. This has been bugging me for the last couple weeks because I'm an organized person, so when my stuff is not flowing, it puts me in a situation where it just throws me off. So I have to figure out what is throwing me off, and I know this is throwing me off because this have taken the space. So we are going to take all these bags off. These bags, I hate clutter. I don't do well with clutter at all. So clutter is not me. Every month or every time I come into my closet, I look for something that I don't need, and then I put it in a plastic bag and ask my kids to do the same thing. I was like, whatever you don't need, I need you to bring it downstairs. Let me go through them, make sure they are worth giving to somebody else. And I put them in a bag, and then I get to the Salvation Army, or if I know people who collect for the church, I call them and have them pick it up. So I don't have a lot of stuff. Things that I don't need, I do away with. I declutter. The one thing I will not declutter my memories, my journals, my notes, my pictures and stuff like that. For I am no longer here. They can go through it and see what mom was writing, what mom said, what mom did, stuff like that. But when it comes to clothes and shoes, once I come in my closet, if I see something, I was like, this gotta go, it gotta go. I have lots of t-shirts. So once a month, every 2 months, I go through them. The ones that look old and raggedy, I throw them away and I replace. But this is how I do things. I cannot have clutter. I don't like clutter, and I don't like to accumulate stuff that I don't need. So here we go. With all that said, the bag. So clean and declutter with me. I have them all on hangers, so it's easy. It was easy to hang over here. Now it's taking up my space of my shirt because I put my shirts one way and I put other things one way. And you know how fast it is to accumulate stuff. Stuff gets accumulated very fast if you don't pay attention to it. So we gotta remember we're not using it. Sometimes we declutter and we say we're leaving it for next time. And then when you go back to declutter, you notice the stuff you saved, you never used it. And it's been years. It's just taking space. If you wanna save it, I would take it nicely, fold it, put it in a bag and store it away somewhere so it's not occupying space in your closet. But if you don't need it, get rid of it. Somebody else might be able to use it. Also, some of these bags also have my scarves, my headpieces in there. So again, like I say, I gotta fix things and organize it. I have to make sure everything is in the right place. I bought the whole package back in 2014 when I went. Well, I didn't purchase. My husband and one of my friends gave me that as a birthday gift because Oprah was here in October of 2014. So they gave that to me as my gift to go to see Oprah. That is where that come from. That came from that bag. Wow, I have more bags than I thought. I have decluttered some of these bags and I still have all these bags. So you see it adds up really, really fast. These are my shoes. Those are very comfortable shoes. I can wear them all day long. Except this one. This one is comfortable and light. But the way it is cut right here, it usually presses on the bone right here on my big toe. So I buy these little things to put in there and it will lift it up so it doesn't press on my big toe. It's just how it's cut, but comfortable. And it's from Easy Spirit. This is by Bear Trap. Very comfortable pair of shoes. Oh my god, I can walk in this all day and don't have to even worry about anything. These are my Jambu. I have two. I have the black suede and this is like the leather one in gray, and this is the slippers to Jambu. Very, very comfortable pair of shoes. All day long I'll have this on my foot and I'll walk, I'll go everywhere, nothing. It is that comfortable. And then I have a couple of the little sandals and another black pair of flat. All my heels, I got rid of them because I was home during COVID and I cleaned up my closet. I was like, I don't need those anymore. So I got rid of them. Now I have all my flats. I used to have flats and heels, but whatever I need to do, I can do them in these flats. These are all the shoes I needed to keep. I threw all the I donated the wedges, the heels, all of them. They were still good, so I donated those things away. My section here is pretty good with the towels and my pants, my shorts, my tights. Those are pretty good. But this is what I need to clean. This is the mess that's bugging me for the past couple weeks. Because I made a change. I put my bags and I brought my bags downstairs and I put them in the space where the shorter pieces of clothes was. And then it's just causing me like turmoil every time I come in here. It's supposed to be fun. It's like, I'm pulling teeth, so I need to change it. Okay, so this is what I'm tackling. These, like I tell you, I don't have a lot. I use what I have, and that's it. Even recently, I went to Walmart, and Walmart had these outfits for $2.99 on a rack. So I bought a couple of them, and I've only wore one. Again, I am home. I have not gotten a job yet, so I am not out of the house. So we're just gonna move. You see my pieces already? So I'm gonna put all the short pieces, all the short ones I'm gonna put here, all the long ones are gonna stay over here. So I'm moving all the short down here. Maybe that'll make my life a little easier like it used to be. That's a lot of stress when you come to your closet and things are just in a mess. And that's not something I have done. I've never done that. I've always been an organizer, so I need to organize. It have to be organized. No way. This is making me crazy. So all the shirts. I put my bra on a hanger. So whenever I use a bra, say today I use one bra, I hang it on a hanger. Tomorrow I use another one, I hang it on a hanger, and I rotate. And when it's time to wash, I take all of them and I will put it in the wash. This is a cute one. I like this. That goes there too. We're just going through stuff that I need to move and make sure I am moving it. I want to make sure what I'm moving is not too long and it's short enough to stay without dragging. Anything that's dragging comes back up. That's how organized I am. I still have clothes that I used to go to work with that is still come from the dry cleaners. I don't need those. I don't need dry cleaners anymore. I don't go, like I say, no work right now. No work right now. This was a gift from a very special friend. You'll see me have lots of sweaters. I don't feel cold like I used to before. Before menopause, I was always cold, but now I'm always hot. So all these sweaters I have, I don't get to use them at all. Very, very rare, but I still like to have them there. When I go walking, I put this on. Makes me sweat and it protects my arm from the sun. These were the dresses from Walmart, $2.99. They didn't have a sign that said $2.99. I saw this and I was like, oh, this is so cute. I can get a couple of them. And as I kept going through them, it's showing markdown prices of $2.99. I was like, so I went to the lady and I asked her, is this correct? She said, yes. So there was a couple people passing and I tell them, I say, hey, if you're looking for clothes, these are $2.99. So about two ladies stop and they look to see what they find and stuff like that. But I was like, this is really nice. And I usually don't buy clothes because I'm going nowhere. T-shirt and short pants, regular gym, my exercise pants or something. Because like I say, I have nowhere to go at this moment. So I don't buy clothes, but I couldn't pass this up. I could not. Those are cute. That's just something with us. Almost done with all the short pieces. I think all the short pieces are done. Not bad. You see, I don't have a lot of stuff, so I try to make sure I stay with what I need. Just the things I need. If I don't need it, if it can be used by somebody else, I put it and I give it away to Salvation Army or drop it to the church. But other than that, I try not to accumulate. It's not something I do often. Mostly everything you'll see I have, it's organized. Like I say, I'm an organizer. Everything has to flow. My spirit needs flow. And without flow, things get a little, out of place. When you feel out of range, something in your life is off balance. When you're off balance, it is because of something. So try remember that. And then you just have to find what it is. I have some pretty dresses. I had a really nice black pair of shoes that I wore with this. As you can see, it goes from gray to black. It's really pretty. I have some pretty dresses. It's just that I have nowhere to go. I love this. I wore this at one of my mom's services after she passed. I also wore this on my 50th birthday party. My husband and my friend flew for me. It was gorgeous. Oh my God, what a party. We had about 30 people. We had a caterer. I mean, cake, you name it. It was off the chain. So I am really, really blessed and thankful for that. But I have a couple of nice pieces. If I'm going somewhere, it has this. It's a halter top, backless, but nowhere to go at this present moment. So I just enjoy life. Simple, easy, quick. Now, wow, I did pretty good here. This is the reveal for how I fix and reorganize my closet. Take a look at these before I reveal. It says faith, peace, and it have sayings, joy, and love. From far, it looks like this. Now let's reveal. Remember how messy it was and junky? Now it's just all the long clothes. Everything that's long will go on this side. This is what I put my t-shirts on to take pictures to show customers what the t-shirt that I printed looked like. This is the top with my pants and sweats and jeans and my regular or everyday clothes, my towels for my hair, washcloth, face towels. And over here, that had all the bags. I bring back all the short pieces of clothes like shirts and jackets. And the bags that I use on a daily basis, I kept this bag. This one has my scarf. I'm trying to get more light in here. This bag has my scarf. I keep the 2 bags with my scarf, my hamper, and my shoes. So it's all organized. Love it. Everything flows now. Minimalist closet. These are some of the bags of clothes I have packaged to give away. From my kids, me, anybody in this house who doesn't want anything, I've went through them and they're all good. So they're just waiting to be given to someone. Thank you all again for watching. I hope you learned something from this. I hope it motivates you to take a look at your closet or any other space in your house and see what you need to save as memories and put away nicely, and what you need to donate and what you need to throw away, because it's not everything we can donate. Some things we have used it to the point where it just needs to be thrown away. Again, don't give someone something that you would not accept from somebody else. Always remember, you're first. Take care of yourself. And I love you all very much. Bye.